He needs to go on a diet. About your best friend, the skunk?
Stinker.
Stinker. Can you fall down? Did that hurt?
Ow, ow, ow.
Cry like a baby.
Quack, quack, quack.
Can you do a cat?
Meow.
How about a dog? Can you bark? Good. Got a big cat from the jungle. Can you fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream. That sounds evil. Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car?
Iris, can you wave? Good girl. What about water? What sounds? Now can you do text message? What sounds text message? One more. Text message. Good girl. Name? What's your name? Can you tell him your name? Iris? Yeah.
Собака ты, собака. Ты кукушка. Где ты видел таких кукушек? Лающих. Кукушки вообще не пищат. Как кукушки делают? Как кукушки делают? Нормальная такая кукушка. Жуткая.
Let him introduce himself. Can you say your name? Sorry, Bird. First and last, he is very polite. Now, he's heard a lot of weird noises here at the zoo. We tried to see if he'd do any animal noises, but all he got was this. Are you a fox? Yeah, he thinks very highly of himself. He likes to dance? Yeah, that's pretty fun. Wait, is that fun? Yeah, it is. And he also likes to tell tall tales. He told us about this one time he went to outer space. Whoa, that's pretty crazy. Well, while you were up there, did you fire the laser? Yeah, that's pretty fun. Well, if you're all the way in space, how did you get back down? Did you fall? Silly bird, you know you have wings, you can fly. Alright, well let's do our last one of my personal favorites. If it's anybody's birthday today, Zuri has a special message. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Alright, let's wave goodbye. You wave? Wave? Ah, there we go.